Right, question 1.2. If a truck driver traveled 550 kilometers, predict the amount of time in minutes that he should rest before continuing his journey. Right, in the previous lesson, we found the equation of the least squares regression line, which was y is equal to, because that is negative 23,85 plus 0,23x, isn't it? Now we want to predict using this equation. So the distance here is 550 kilometers. So where there's x, we put 550. So y is equal to negative 23,85 plus 0,23 times 550. Okay, you can just put this in the calculator. Then y is equal to 102,65 minutes. These are minutes. Right. Okay. If you use the calculator to find the value of y, you're going to get maybe 101,02 minutes. This is what you get if you use a calculator.